Method 1. How to transfer TV shows from iPad to PC with iTunes. If you want to transfer purchased TV shows from iPad to computer, you can follow below steps. 1. Launch the iTunes on your computer and connect your iPad with PC. Open iTunes and choose Authorize this computer option in the drop-down menu of Store. 2. Go to File Transfer Purchase from XXX to copy all media files on your iPad like music, movies, and TV shows from iPad to computer completely. 3. When the transference process is finished, you can go to Library TV Shows to display all TV shows in the iTunes. If you want to play them, you can select the one and right-click it and select Show in Windows Explorer. Method 2. How to transfer TV shows from iPad to computer with Coolmuster iOS Assistant. 1. Firstly, connect your iPad to computer and launch Coolmuster iOS Assistant on your PC. Then you'll get the interface just like the below. Check your iPad info before transferring if it is needed. 2. Then, click TV shows in the left panel to list all TV shows in the program directly. 3. After that, you can choose those iPad TV shows you need to transfer and click Export button on the top of the panel to finish the process.